When installing our EZSheath structural insulated sheathing product, it's very easy to work with. It's going to be lightweight. It's actually up to 50% lighter than just your standard 7/16 inch sheet of OSB. It's easy cut, easy to nail, easy to tape. So when you're nailing the material, you can see we've provided all of these guides, making sure that you meet your nailing pattern according to all of the design requirements. We can make sure that we adjust that nail gun to begin with, and then you can just continue to fasten through. It's a very forgiving polymer facer on both the front and the back side of the board, so you don't have to worry so much about flowing through the material itself. You're going to be cutting it the same way you would other sheathing products as well. Start by measuring and marking with standard tools like a pencil or a chalk line, and then proceed to cut it. It's easy to cut. You can use a standard table saw or a standard circular saw. We would recommend something with a higher amount of teeth, so like a 60 tooth blade, and very easy to just zip right through that product. Once it comes to taping the material as an air and weather barrier system, we have 4 different tapes to choose from. One of those is our latest EZSealer tape with no release back film. This material makes it very easy to work with on the job site. You can attach it to the wall and then tilt it up, and it provides structural strength, resistance to racking. It's gonna hold those nails tight, even in extreme temperature swings and high humidity. Dial it in, line everything up with our easy nail guides, and you have less risk of overdriven fasteners. Fewer materials, less trips around the building, an easy install that saves you time and energy.